Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add trust badges to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to add trust badges to Shopify. So install this Section Store app. You will find some apps that are paid and some that are free. Scrolling down, and here you find Feature 1, which comes completely free. We utilize this app as trust badges in Shopify. When you open this feature, you'll see an ad option. Since I already own this section, the ad option is not showing up. After choosing this feature, go to the My Section area. Here, you can add this feature to your current theme that is live. Successfully add to your theme, now go to the Shopify Customize page. Click on Add section. Scroll down, and here you get this SS Feature 1. Select this feature. You have successfully installed trust badges on your Shopify. Begin customizing according to your interests. Choose options that suit your theme. Make adjustments to match your style. The trust badges have been successfully added, and they look great in Shopify. They'll help increase customer interest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.